Most people don't know anything about the Guardianship and Administration Act, and that's understandable. Generally, people only gain an understanding if they or someone that they know loses capacity to make their own decisions. Typically, we might be required to make decisions about with whom someone is to live, what health care they might receive, what services they might receive. So pretty important decisions to be making about someone's life. In my view, the Act has served the Tasmanian community pretty well over the last 20 odd years, but it is time to have a really good look at it and to check that it does align with contemporary thinking, particularly in terms of the rights of people with disabilities.
Tasmania Law Reform Institute is an independent body that's established by the University of Tasmania as well as the state government and the Law Society of Tasmania, and its role is to independently look at laws and how we can reform them in Tasmania. One of the things that we've been asked to do by the state government is to review the Guardianship and Administration Act.
It needs to reflect things like the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability. It needs to reflect what is currently best practice internationally, and that's supported decision making. Particularly people with intellectual disability are always really keen to have a say in government policy. We have a partnership with the Tasmania Law Reform Institute to ensure that they have a voice in the process. Their voice is as important as any other Tasmanians.